Welcome back to some more weekly Prep with Two Chef Mission. This week, we definitely had a packed schedule, from having our own game night with veggie platters, truffle mac, and roast, as well as making some stuffed mushrooms with sausage and goat cheese. We were busy not only with our own meals, but also ones for our clients. We jumped into a personal chef client that was very specific in their dietary needs, so we took care of those, and then we dove into some additional prep for other clients, whether it was a gnocchi bake, muffins, breakfast boxes, into some fruit prep. We had a slew of different orders that we put out. And then we also had to dive into prepping for our live lunch. We finished it up with some pizza nights with the boys and ended with a pretty great week.